What's up, photo friends? Phil here with Video School and another Lightroom preset pack. This is the black and white preset pack. It's going to make all of your photos black and white, but with a variety of styles. So here you can see a preview of what they look like on this cute picture of my sister's dog Maple. Some have a super flat look like this, while others are a bit more contrasty and grungy. Just a complete range of styles that I think are going to work for you for a lot of different photos. So as always, if you are in our courses, if you're in our photo courses, you can get these presets completely free. I think, let's see, where was that photo of the clock tower? That was a good one as an example. So this one's kind of a cool vintage style photo of the downtown where I grew up, and you can see what this looks like. So if you're a student, download it from the courses. It's at the end of the class in a bonus section. If you aren't in a course and you're just looking for this preset pack and you're like, hey, found this on YouTube, where do I download it? Head over to photographyandfriends.com, photographyandfriends.com, and just go to the presets page and you can download it. And that being said, you could also enroll in a course and get all of our preset packs for free. And you do that by clicking the courses button. So lots of cool looks with this pack. I'm super excited about it because I love black and white photography. It makes, mediocre photos look better. Now, not going to work for everything. Sometimes you're going to have to make some adjustments, but I kind of like, wow, that's pretty HDR, but kind of a cool look. Hawaii. But why are we going to take away colors in a Hawaiian photograph? This is going to work way better in some of these other photos. Maybe like this one right here, street photography. It's going to look great. And what's great about this pack is you get a photo like this where it's not, maybe your subject's a little bit darker or in the shadows and there's some highlights that aren't as important. Well, you might find a preset like this one, number 5, that works well for you. So you got 10 black and white looks. All I ask for in return, if you're downloading this preset pack and you're using it and you got it for free as a student, is if you use it, if you post your photos on Instagram, please tag me at Phil Ebener, tag us at Video School's page, and share it with a friend. And one more thing, if you're in a course of mine, leave a review. Hit that review button. Those reviews really help us out. It's the reason we wake up in the morning and work our butts off to put out more photography related content, put out free preset packs like this for most of y'all. Oh, that's a pretty good one for this photo. So that's it. Black and white preset pack. Enjoy. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you next month with another free pack. Cheers.